Hello everybody, today we are going to be talking about an interesting subject that might affect some of you guys, and might not, but it's always worth the while to check. And that has to do with Google reviews. And the question is specifically, how do I ask Google to remove a bad review? And the person says, is it possible to call Google? Can I email them? I have a Google My Business listing, and there's a bad review. You see, they put it in bold right here that the best strategy is to work on getting more good reviews, because if you get more good reviews, it'll push the bad review down, and it can make you look better in the eyes of your potential customers. You can also see here in bold that the advice that's given on this website is respond to a bad or negative review that makes you look good. They got on the ball and tried to, at least address the problem. Also, for the majority here, the majority are all good. So that helps them with their review, but at least it shows that the owner is attentive and wants to fix the problem. So anyway, those are Google reviews. If you have any Google reviews that you are questioning and unsure of, you can always talk to Google My Business, or you can always work on improving your reviews and getting more good ones to push those bad ones out of the way. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.